Welcome back, everybody, to another deep dive. You know, we love to get to the bottom of things, and today we're tackling a question that's had people debating forever. Can bananas actually help with weight loss? I mean, we all know bananas are delicious, but can they really help us on that weight loss journey?
Right.
We've got two sources here to dive into. One's an article from a nutritionist, all about the best banana recipes for weight loss. And then another article outlining 6 banana-based recipes that are supposed to be the key to shedding those pounds. So let's jump in.
Yeah, let's see what the science says.
And find out if these recipes are actually worth trying.
Yeah. You know, it's funny because a lot of people, even people who are really trying to manage their weight, they kind of fear the banana. Like it's
totally.
This forbidden fruit.
Yeah, they've got a bad rap, I think.
Yeah, because of all the carbs and the sugar.
Right, exactly. It's like, are they good or are they bad?
Yeah.
But one of our sources, this nutritionist who specializes in weight management, she's saying that this fear is completely unfounded.
Yeah.
Bananas are actually packed with nutrients, vitamins, minerals, fiber, the whole 9 yards.
Wow.
They won't sabotage your weight loss goals if you're enjoying them in moderation as part of a balanced diet.
It's all about the big picture, right?
Exactly.
You've got to look at your overall calorie intake and just the balance of nutrients in your diet. A banana by itself isn't magically going to make you gain weight.
That's so reassuring to hear.
Yeah.
So we don't have to say goodbye to our banana smoothies?
Not at all.
Okay, good.
But here's where things get a little bit tricky.
Okay.
Grabbing a banana by itself for breakfast.
Yeah.
I know it's convenient, it's easy, but it's
super easy.
It might not be the best approach for weight loss.
Why is that? I mean, they are pretty filling, right?
They are, but the problem is when you eat a banana all by itself, it digests really quickly.
Okay.
You get that rapid spike in blood sugar, and then it comes crashing down, and you're left feeling hungry again.
Oh, and probably craving more carbs.
And craving more carbs, exactly.
Yeah.
So it's like you're building a fire, but you're only using kindling.
Okay.
You get this quick burst of flame, but then it fizzles out, and you're...
Right, and you're cold.
And you're cold, and you're left wanting more.
I got it.
So we need to add those slow-burning logs to the fire to keep things going.
What would that look like with the banana?
So instead of just the banana, you want to pair it with something that has protein and healthy fats.
Got it. So like Greek yogurt with banana slices and a sprinkle of nuts.
Perfect.
Okay.
Now that combination will keep you feeling full and satisfied for way longer.
Yeah, that's key.
And that's crucial if you want to make healthy choices throughout the day.
Right, you're not going to be reaching for that bag of chips at 10 a.m.
Exactly.
Because you're starving.
Exactly.
Now, both of our sources take this concept a step further and give us all these banana-based recipes that are designed to support weight loss.
That's cool.
I mean, we're talking pancakes, smoothies, brownies. Wow.
Even ice cream.
What?
And what's so cool is they all incorporate bananas with other really nutrient-rich ingredients to create meals and snacks that are both delicious and good for you.
It's a win-win.
Totally. There was one that really caught my eye. It's called 3-ingredient brownies.
Oh, 3-ingredient brownies.
Seems almost too good to be true.
Okay.
You just mix some ripe bananas, nut butter, rocky cow powder, and bake.
It's interesting they specify ripe bananas.
Yeah. What about that?
You know, using ripe bananas is actually a really smart choice.
Why is that?
Ripe bananas are lower in starch and higher in antioxidants.
Oh, so you're getting that extra sweetness, but also...
Yeah, and all those benefits of antioxidants.
Okay.
So win-win.
But let's move beyond the deliciousness for a second.
Yeah.
What does the science actually say about bananas and their ability to help us lose weight?
Well, both sources say that there are several key things about bananas that can help. First of all, they're an excellent source of fiber. One medium banana has about 3 grams.
Okay, now remind me, why is fiber important for weight loss?
So fiber is essential for a couple reasons.
Okay.
First, it adds bulk to your diet, so it helps you feel fuller for longer.
Right, so you're not overeating.
Exactly. And it also slows down the digestion process, so you don't get those...
Oh, those spikes and crashes.
Yeah, exactly. Those rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar.
So it's kind of like fiber is like a traffic controller in our digestive system. Keeping everything moving smoothly.
Right, preventing any jams.
Okay, cool. Now remember, bananas have a special type of fiber called...
Yes, resistant starch.
Resistant starch. What is that all about?
So resistant starch resists digestion in the small intestine,
Okay.
which means it reaches the large intestine pretty much intact.
Okay.
And there it acts as food for all the good bacteria that's in there.
So it's like a prebiotic eating those good gut bugs.
Exactly. And this process leads to the production of short-chain fatty acids, which have all kinds of research suggests that resistant starch might play a role in increasing energy expenditure, which definitely can contribute to weight loss.
This is blowing my mind. It's not just about the calories in a banana,
Right.
but it's how those calories are processed in the body.
Exactly. And there's another weight loss friendly thing about bananas we haven't talked about.
What's that?
Their natural sweetness.
Oh, right.
They satisfy your sweet tooth without all the added sugar.
Right, those sneaky added sugars.
Yeah, which are a huge culprit in weight gain.
So it's like nature's candy without the guilt.
You could say that.
I like that.
And that brings us to another interesting point.
Okay.
Did you notice that both sources mentioned how the color of the banana actually affects its nutritional profile?
It's like there's a whole rainbow of banana possibilities, each with its own unique benefits.
Exactly. So let's break down this banana rainbow.
Okay, let's do it.
And see what each color has to offer. So we've got green, yellow, and brown bananas. What's the deal with each of those?
Yeah, let's break it down.
Okay, so let's start with green bananas. They're higher in that resistant starch, which we know is good for our metabolism and gut health.
Right.
But they can also be a little bit tougher to digest.
Okay.
So they might cause some bloating or gas, especially for people with sensitive stomachs.
So green bananas are kind of like the wild child of the bunch.
Yeah, maybe.
They can be great,
Right.
but you gotta be careful.
Exactly. And then as bananas ripen and turn yellow,
Yeah.
that resistant starch turns into simple sugars.
Okay.
So they get sweeter
Right.
and they're easier to digest.
That's your classic banana.
Yeah, yellow bananas, they're like the all-arounders. They're a good choice for most people.
Makes sense.
And you can eat them on their own in smoothies, sliced over cereal, whatever.
Whatever you want.
And then we've got those brown spotty bananas.
Oh yeah.
The ones that always end up at the bottom of the fruit bowl.
Nobody wants to eat them.
I know, but they're actually nutritional gold mines.
Really?
Yeah, as bananas brown, their antioxidant levels go way up.
Okay, now remind me, what are antioxidants again, and why are they so important?
So antioxidants protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals,
Okay.
which are these unstable molecules that can make us age faster and even cause diseases.
Right.
So antioxidants are like little superheroes fighting off those bad guys,
I love that analogy.
keeping us healthy and strong.
Awesome. So brown bananas are like the wise old sages of the banana world.
Yeah, they've seen a lot,
They have,
but they're full of wisdom and protective powers.
and perfect for baking,
Oh yeah,
right?
they're super sweet and they blend really well into muffins, breads,
And brownies.
and 3-ingredient brownies
Yeah.
we're talking about.
All this talk about banana recipes is making me hungry.
Me too.
I remember one of the sources mentioned a banana spinach smoothie
Yeah.
that had like 38 grams of protein.
Yeah, that's a great example of combining bananas with other healthy ingredients
Yeah.
to create a meal or a snack that's really satisfying and keeps you full for hours.
Right.
You've got the spinach for vitamins, minerals, and fiber,
Okay.
and then the protein powder to make sure you're getting enough protein.
Perfect. And it probably tastes amazing.
I'm sure it does.
There are so many possibilities with bananas.
Yeah, that's one of the key takeaways here.
Okay.
Don't be afraid to experiment, get creative in the kitchen,
Yeah.
and find ways to enjoy bananas that work for you.
So, to recap, bananas are not the enemy when it comes to weight loss.
No, they're not.
They're actually a really valuable ally.
Right.
Packed with all that fiber-resistant starch, natural sweetness,
All
antioxidants.
the good stuff.
It's all about understanding how they work and how to use them strategically.
Right, and finding ways to enjoy them that fit your lifestyle.
Okay, so ditch the banana fear, embrace the banana rainbow,
Yes,
and get creative.
absolutely.
But what about savory meals? We talked about breakfast snacks, desserts,
Right.
but can we use bananas in our main courses?
That's a great question, and it actually leads us to a final thought-provoking point
Okay.
that came up in both sources. We tend to think of bananas in sweet dishes,
Right.
but they can be so much more versatile than that.
Okay, I'm listening. Are you saying there's like a whole world of savory banana dishes out there waiting to be discovered?
Absolutely.
Never would have thought of that.
It's like we've trapped the banana in this dessert box, but they can do so much more.
Like what?
Well, think about it. Bananas can add a natural sweetness and creaminess to sauces. Stews, even curries. They can be a binder in veggie burgers.
Really?
You can even add them to salads for a unique twist.
I'm having a hard time picturing that, but I'm willing to try it.
And this kind of goes back to what we were talking about before.
Okay.
About choosing the right ripeness for different recipes.
Right.
Finding those creative ways to use bananas in savory dishes lets you really personalize your approach to healthy eating.
So it's all about getting rid of those preconceived notions and embracing the versatility of the banana.
Exactly. Who knows? Maybe you will even create the next culinary masterpiece.
I love that. Well, that's what I love about these deep dives.
Yeah.
We're not just giving information, we're inspiring people to get out there and experiment.
Exactly.
So to wrap things up, what's the one thing you want our listeners to remember about bananas and weight loss?
Well, I think the most important thing is that bananas are not the end.
Okay.
They can be a valuable part of a healthy lifestyle.